Menteri Ketenat Pulih Putih Rakkam Sangma Ulamaham banlek da kebeteng ikitu gibreu keberan keti bentong bean Nonghikai Proxy ne Nonghikai bobok di gibreu lajong hakajaka jo Nonghikai kibala syathong hakakam hikai hagi skol lower primary ke sorkar kibaran hakajela. Rakkam Sangma Uloong ba on amsha ba kenegan kam bakanja bad on pentikena bagi officer kendet joreb bad lum jengtep gi skol bad on pentikena baman Nonghikai kentre yala kakam. Namarla daki ken sting yala kakamram ken penjot pat ikalawai jongki kena pulih. Menteri ulong syok balada tenat ke yok pediang ya kanu ke jing ujor rengkat bat kisaki. Sorkar jela ke deban syem ki senjam ke badai ban syem bat ulaken turu ikino hikai ki bele ikini jat kam. Bakin syeno ikakam bat bakin syem no daga VRS.
However, I admit there are lots of challenges at all levels, beginning from primary level to the higher education. I don't say we are perfect, no. There's always room for improvement. Therefore, what I see in last 7 months as a minister, I think the quality of our institutions needs to be relooked, and I would happy if they can the standard of our institutions can be upgraded. Is what I feel. When I'm saying so, the quality of teachers, it's what you call need to be improved is a need of the hour. It's a need of the hour. So therefore today, taking this opportunity, I would like to request the teachers of every category of all the schools. Let not the quality of your teaching should not decide by the salary that you draw. With the commitment and your responsibility should decide the quality of your service. I think let not the salary, but let your responsibility should decide, and your result will be the testimony of your service tomorrow. So therefore, having said so, I heard in many of the government LP school, proxy teachers is happening. We will not allow all this to happen, and we will make sure our officers inspect and visit the institutions, and we will make sure that every teacher is on the job. And because if you neglect as a teacher, if you neglect to go to the duties, you are destroying the future of your children, of your community. Therefore, I would like to request the teachers across the state, let us soldier this responsibility in giving the best education to our children. After all, the future of Meghalaya is not going to decide upon anything else. The future of our state will be decided on the scenario of our education sector in the state. If we give the quality education, the quality individual we can produce. So this is what my small request to all of you, and we will make sure all things should not continue, and because every teacher must soldier the sense of responsibility and sense of belongings in serving the people of the state. With regards to proxy teacher, if department receive any complaint, any with substantiate evidence, I think the government will take the necessary step. And I would request there may be some teacher who lost interest in teaching. I think better to quit and to take BRS. I would request if any teacher lost interest in serving and teaching in the schools, I would request you better to quit or take BRS, and you go in the area in the area where your talent is there. So this is my